Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, I'm Femke, and in today's video I really wanted to spice up like a half a week to a week old manicure with some cute little stems. I went for space and floral designs, so yeah, if you want to see more, please keep on watching. And of course, if you are new to my channel, hi, welcome. I would really appreciate it if you would like to subscribe and hit that notification bell as well if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video. But here I'm showing you already two plates that I'm going to use. Both are by Nicole Diary, which you can get at bornprettystore.com. So we have the L23, which has awesome like space and floral designs. I really love that one. And the second one was by Nicole Diary as well. This one has a ton of different like sized floral ones, some butterflies, some bugs. It's really gorgeous. It is definitely one of my favorite plates, and this one is L21. And I am going to use a white stamping polish. I actually have one by Nicole Diary and one by Born Pretty Store as well. It doesn't really matter what kind of stamping polish you use. You can choose any other color as well. The only thing is, do make sure you have a nice scraper. This one is by Born Pretty Store. It's a little bit more firm than the regular ones you get usually. And the stamper is actually by another brand that I totally love to use. I haven't gotten any clear stampers from Born Pretty Store yet, so I'm definitely going to see if they have some, and if they do, which ones are best. So yeah, I will try to get my hands on some of those a little later this year and just try them out and share my thoughts with you on that as well. But here I'm already stamping. I've already applied one really cool space one on my thumb, a little bit off center because I did want to add some additional floral designs as well. I really love the whole space floral set combination. I think it's really cute, and you can do so many different designs with them, even if you're just using one or two different stamping plates. The plates that I am using are a little bit like the bigger ones, like the XL plates. These aren't the super big ones, but these have like a price. I think it's like 5 to 6 euros or something like that per plate, so it's still quite inexpensive and affordable. And of course, the stamping polishes by Born Pretty Store are really inexpensive as well. And of course, I do have a discount code of 20% if you want to use that. You can use it multiple times if you want to, and I always leave it in the description box as well as the pinned comments. So yeah, that was just a little extra information. So if you do want to check out some of Born Pretty Store's or Nicole Diary's products, just go to their website and yeah, just buy anything you like, because it's really inexpensive. So you can get like a whole bunch of items and just play around with it, and you'll just lose like 20 bucks or something. It's really inexpensive. The only thing is that shipping does take a little longer than usual, especially because of COVID going on and stuff like that. But I usually get my packages in after like 4 weeks. I'd say like 3 to 4 weeks. But yeah, of course, if you are going to do some stamping, make sure that if you are using a clear stamper, you clean it off with a little piece of tape or a lint roller or something like that. You don't want to go into your clear stamper with anything like acetone or nail polish remover related, because that will definitely dull out the stamper and make it less transparent and less see-through. But yeah, here I'm doing already my right hand, which had a gel polish on it. I think I wore it for like at least a week when I recorded this video. It's a really gorgeous one, and I really wanted to add more florally things to this set. Of course, I am going to add a couple of space designs as well, because once again, I love that combination. I think it's really cute. And of course, if you're not into space designs or floral designs, just pick whatever you like. There are no rules to nail art in my opinion, so just play around with it. And of course, if you don't like the outcome, you can just remove it, because it is just nail polish. It's as simple as that. But yeah, I really love the designs I put on my right hand even more than the ones I put on my left hand. On my left hand I already had like I think a week old or half a week old polish, just a random gray one. Of course you can just switch up any color. This was just for me because I felt like my manicure was a little bit too boring after like a week or something like that. I just wanted to spice it up a bit, and that is exactly what this video is all about. And yeah, you can always just spice up all manicures with stamping designs, like stamping polishes or even some glitter, you know. A lot of people love glitter, so you can definitely use that in combination with some stamp designs as well. But because I already had some glitter on my right hand, I was like, nah, let's just keep that for a next time when I'm going to spice up an old manicure. But yeah, this was actually already the entire video. One thing that I would suggest is to just always clean off your plate with a little bit of acetone or anything like that, like nail polish remover. And of course, after your design has dried for I'd say like 10, maybe even 20 minutes. Stamping polishes take a long time to actually be fully dry and not smudge, or just use a no smudge top coat. I didn't have those in while recording this video, so I just used any random like glossy top coat and just added like a little bit more than usual add a coat. So yeah, I had like a tiny bit of smudging, but yeah, what you gonna do if you don't have your smudging top coats yet. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked this space and floral combination, and let me know what kind of video you would like to see me do next. I hope you're all staying safe and sound and healthy, and as usual, I really hope you liked it. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos.